Hey guys, welcome back to my my channel, sorry. Thanks for coming back. Okay, so tonight I was able to actually get some Forex trade in for you guys. I know I've been lacking on these for some time. I've been trading actually more on the future side. And so let's see what happened tonight. So tonight actually was pretty good. I got in about, I would say 20. Let's see where I got in. I was trading the news. I was trading the pound Aussie news. Actually, the Aussie wage price index news. It's a quarterly report that comes out. And so the latest release looked actually pretty strong for the Aussie dollar. So and the market basically had priced it in going into that 9 o'clock. So this long candle you see here at 4:30. This is GMT plus 2 time right here at the bottom of the screen. So this long candle you see is actually the 9:30 when the news came out, so you'll see it in the highlights. And before that, actually the market had kind of like priced it in that because of the stronger Aussie dollar due to what do you call it, due to this is sorry, the wage price index. So remember, weakest against strongest. Usually the pair goes bearish. So if the Aussie was strong because of news, then the pound Aussie would be bearish, and that's exactly that's how the market had priced it in going into the 9:30 news release. And then actually when the news release came out, you'll see there was a strong move to the downside to try to test these levels. So this is actually a low volume node. These are market profile levels, so this is actually a low volume node, and this is value area low. So it came pretty close to value area low to test it. And then you'll see in the highlights once it comes, I was waiting, anticipating for a pullback to these areas, and then once I got a pullback, then I just market ordered in, and because of slippage I got actually filled, I think it was with 2 pips spread. So if we looked at where we got in, I got in here 1.77238, 1.77238, just about there. This is 224.7724 actually, so close to there. That's close to here, close to this low volume node is where I got filled on my order. And then this trade went for, I'm looking at this price, this is my exit price, 1.77464. So 1.77464. So about 22 pips. That's what I was able to get out of this trade. And because I was position sizing with the micro and trading about 0.5% risk on a $700 account, which is like about risking about $3. I actually got, so it was 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. I got about the what do you call it? So I was risking 40 pips. My stop was 40 pips to make 40 pips. So if I went for 22 pips, that's about right. I got about $2 out of it. Well, minus the commission was net is 1.97. And so when I actually exited this trade, so that I got in here or close to there. Yeah, close to there, and that was 77464. So around there. So I actually exited around here, just above this volume point of control. For those of you in my Fiverr program, you'll understand what I'm referring to. But these levels are market profile levels again. And actually, for people in my Fiverr program, I'm going to make a longer training video on this and send it to you guys. Hopefully in the next week or so, it should be available for you guys. But anyways, so yeah, it did actually go up higher. It went for, you could say, even close to 50 pips, and right now it's still looking like there is a bullish momentum. There's these long wicks that are forming as price is coming down to test this volume point of control, and then it just wants to go higher. But my philosophy is usually from other traders that I've been collaborating with and bouncing off ideas, is just time in the market usually equals risk. So if you're scalping this like I was, once you get your 22 pips, then you're out of the trade. You just close the trade and you don't worry about what happens next, and this way you got your profit, you're done for tonight, and that's about it. And actually it's 11 p.m. tonight. It's 11 p.m. Well, I'm recording this 11 p.m. but the trade really finished at, I got in at 9:30, got out around, yeah, got out around 10. So because I got around 10, that's about half an hour I was in the trade. So I wasn't actually in the trade for too long. And that's what you want to do. You want to get in, not be there for the whole night. You don't want to turn this into like a swing trading, and then get your profits and just close this trade. So you'll see all this in the highlights. And as I said, I'll create a longer version for my audience in the Fiverr program, and I'll send it to you guys, so you'll have it and you'll enjoy the training. And then that's about it. And also by tomorrow or the day after, I will upload also a futures win I got from earlier this week, and that was a pretty cool scalp as well. And yeah, you should enjoy that one too. So that's about it for today. As always, enjoy the highlights, and if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to comment or reach out to me, and I will answer all your questions. Thank you so much. Have a good day, and bye.